guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be one method on how to make a crochet circle. I do have a couple of videos on how to make a crochet circle. The most popular method is the magic loop or the magic circle. I will have that listed in the eye and down below. I've also done another method on how to make a crochet circle, and I will have that video listed as well. So for this tutorial, you're going to need a crochet hook and some yarn. And basically what we're going to be doing, we're going to be making some chains. We're going to slip stitch them together to make a little circle, which we're going to be working basic stitches into. It's all going to come together and make sense once I get going. So to begin, we're going to make 4 chains. Then to make the little initial circle, we're going to slip stitch into the first chain made. And at this point, you would be working basic crochet stitches, and you're going to be working them into this little circle that we have made. And for this example, I'm going to be doing the double crochet stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and make 3 chains. And these 3 chains are going to count as 1 double crochet stitch for this tutorial. So once we start making the double crochets, it's going to make a circle around this little initial circle. So I'm going to start and I'm going to make my 2nd double crochet. I'm going to make my 3rd one. I hope you can see this is like where we're working into. It should start to, you know, show itself, be easier to see. My 4th one. My 5th double crochet. That is already half the circle. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And I'm going to join into the top of this one right here to complete that circle. And then to close that little center right there, I'm going to pull the tail. So I hope that made sense for you guys. Just some chains, slip stitch them together, and then work your basic stitches into the center of that circle. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any suggestions down below on videos that you would like to see in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed it and have a great day.